Hello, my name is Stuart Scott. I'm a drug and medical device lawyer here at the Spangenberg firm. Today I want to talk to you about GranuFlo. GranuFlo is a medical device used in the hemodialysis process. People who have renal failure require hemodialysis. What GranuFlo does is it's the part of the dialysis process that cleanses the blood of toxins like urea and creatinine that the kidneys can no longer do. The problem with GranuFlo is that when it is introduced into the body, it metabolizes on the liver and creates something called bicarbonate. When the bloodstream contains too much bicarbonate, it results in a condition known as metabolic alkalosis. This is the exact opposite of metabolic acidosis, but both can be equally dangerous. Now, the other problem with GranuFlo is that when you reach this level of metabolic alkalosis, it can create a condition where the heart contains too much potassium. Now, we all know potassium is an electrolyte, and electrolytes control the rhythm of the heart. When there's too much potassium in the heart, it can throw the rhythm of the heart out of balance. This is known as an arrhythmia. If the arrhythmia becomes too severe, it can result in a sudden and immediate cardiac arrest. Now, this is not the same thing as a heart attack. A heart attack is when plaque ruptures, causes a clot, and stops blood flow. What we're talking about here is a change in the conduction, electrical conduction of the heart that causes it to stop suddenly. Now, the problem with GranuFlo is that there was no warning or instruction to the patient or the doctors about the issue of excess bicarbonate. Now, the manufacturer of GranuFlo was aware of this issue. They actually did their own study in their own dialysis centers that told them that over 900 people died suddenly during the dialysis process. But they never told either the patients or the doctors that they suspected that the doctors were unaware of this excess level of bicarbonate. It wasn't until the FDA in 2012 recalled GranuFlo that doctors and patients realized the potential risk. There is now ongoing litigation across the country involving GranuFlo and its manufacturer regarding its failure to warn doctors and patients about these risks, or in the case of death, to compensate the family members that are left behind. If you suffered a sudden cardiac event during dialysis, or if a loved one died as a result of a sudden cardiac event during dialysis or shortly thereafter, you may have questions whether GranuFlo was responsible for their death. If you do, give me a call. I'd be happy to answer your questions.